opinion doon sa sinasabi nilang extradition daw ni Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, and Senator Risa Hontiveros already made a statement na dapat mag-cooperate to yung Philippines?
Well, unang-una, nasabi ko na yan lahat kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, no, as early as the time na nag-privilege speech si Migs Nograles about the franchise. So pumunta ako kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, and then sinabi ko sa kanya yung nakuha namin sa loob ng House of Representatives. So the plan noon was a franchise first, and then next is local cases para mahuli siya, and then dismiss the local cases, and then turn him over to the United States government for extradition. So alam yan lahat ni Pastor Apollo Kibuloy as early as the time, the moment na nag-privilege speech si Migs Nograles at the time.
Ma'am, do you think karma